please like, share and subscribe the channel. And for regular notification, press the bell icon. Thank you.
And I welcome you all to this spell bee final round. And I congratulate all of you for being selected for the second round. And at the same time, I convey my wishes for all of you to win in this the final round too. And in this final round, we have three major rounds. Okay, there are three rounds. The first is the rapid, and the second one is the fire round, and third is the concluding round. Okay, in the rapid round, you will have a 5 words. Each team will have a 5 words, and you will have to tell that particular word spellings fast and spontaneously. You have no time to discuss with your friends or with your house member, and you have one who knows the spelling of that particular word, and he should tell it spontaneously. No time will be given. Okay, and this of 5. There are 5 words, and each carries 5 points. Clear? And the rapid round, the fire round, and again you will have a 5 words, 4 words. So wherein the 4 words each carry 10 points. Okay, and for this the fire round you can discuss with your team and you can tell the word, spelling of that word. Okay, and the last one is the concluding round, where in the concluding round you will be asked only one question. Okay, and you will have to tell that one question spelling correctly, and that carry 15 points. The first rapid round it carries point for each right answer. Fire round each carry 10 points, and the last in the concluding round one word correct spelling carries 10 points. It's clear? Yes. So and now we are beginning with the rapid round, the first round, and starts with the house Srinivas Ramanujan. Okay, you don't need to stand. See this way. Wa. Light. Seek. Luxury. Wrong. Assertive. Very good. Right. Okay. So total out of 5, he made 5 correct. Okay, each carry 5 marks. So total it is 20. Okay. Challenge house. The first word is front. Right. Sleep. Hang. Popular. Interrogative. Wrong. So here also out of 5 they made 4 correct. So the score is 20. First word is worry. Right? Deal. Kind. Well. Roam. Wrong. Roam, R-O-A-M, roaming. Okay. So here, out of 5, 4 have been answered. So the score is 20. The first word is wait. Right? Round. Round. Happy. Fourth word, exclamatory. Very good, right? Fifth word, broad. Right. Yes. So we have completed the round, first rapid round. So the scores are as follows. Srinivas Ramanujan has scored 20, and Chanakya has scored 20. Rabindranath Tagore again has scored 20, and Aryabhatta, so they have won in this the first round, so their score is 25. Give them a big hand of applause. Seek. Luxury. Assertive. Charity House. Friend. Sleep. Hand. Popular. Interview. Next, Rabindranath Tagore. Worry. Kind. Well. Row. Row. Wrong. Next, Aryabhatta. Wait. Round. The first word is statement.
STATEMENT.
Right. Competitive.
COMPETATIV.
Wrong. Research.
RESEARCH.
Following.
FOLLOWING.
Language.
LANGUAGE.
Consonant.
CONSTANT.
Wrong answer. Partner. Resistant. Resistant. Wrong answer. Numerous. Wrong answer. Crook. Swung. Swung. Wrong. Beautiful. Right. Happen. Happen. Bought. Blubber. Wrong answer. Explain. Right answer. Nervous.
NERVOUS.
Right answer. Remain. Remain.
REMAIN.
Beggar.
BEGGAR.
Blister. Blister.
BLISTER.
Interested.
INDER.
Wrong answer. Dictionary. Remember. Right answer. Copy. Wrong answer. Compound. Wrong answer. Promise. Competition. Wrong answer. Disturb. Swallow. Invention. Session. Session. Right answer. The first, it goes to Srinivas Ramanujan. So each carries 10 marks. The first word is statement. Right. Countable. Right. Rough. Right. Following. Wickets. Compose. Colony. Famous. Viewer. Favor. Fortunate. Consist. Creation.
CREATION.
Recognize. Respective.
RESPECTIVE.
Position.
POSITION.
Double.
DOUBLE.
Please.
BLEAST.
Sentence. Mountains. Diagram. Happen. Happen. Inventor. Investigation. Understand. The words and the first it goes to Rough. Following. Wickets. Compose. The question goes to Chanakya. First word is present. Following. Wrong. Wrong. Famous. Viewer. Viewer. Favor. Sorry. Fortunate. Consist. Creation. Recognize. Respective. Position. Double. Please. Violent. Sentence. Sorry. Mountains. Diagram. Happen. Happen. Inventor. The question which goes to Srinivas Ramanujan. The word is convenience. Convenience. Only oral. No, they can do it. They do it. Then I want a fast skill. Fast. Wrong. Second, Chanakya. The word is dendrochronologist. 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 Wrong. So next, the question goes to Rabindranath Tagore. Accustomed. In the poem we have an and accustomed, habituated, accustomed. No, you can't write. Accustomed. Sorry? Wrong. And the last word goes to the last Aryabhatta. Nuisance. Nuisance. Sorry? Wrong. So finally, we have concluded the total score. Can you guess what is the total score for the Srinivas Ramanujan? 120. And Chanakya 140. And Rabindranath Tagore 125. And Aryabhatta 130. And who is the winner here? Chanakya is the winner. Okay, give them a big hand of applause. And the second place goes to Aryabhatta. They have scored 130. Let's get it again. And the third place, Rabindranath Tagore. And there is no fourth place. Okay. But anyhow, you have taken a good part in it.